guys, welcome to my channel AbFab. My name is Denise and well, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my channel is all about the 50 plus working girl, and it's all about makeup and all things fun to do with makeup. And today is really no exception because today this video is entitled 2 bags unbagging, and I mean literally 2 bags. And the 2 bags will be my Ipsy glam bag against my girlfriend's Ipsy glam bag. And you might want to watch it because if you're in the 50 or the 60 plus group, then you might be curious as to what does a 50-year-old or the 60-year-olds get in their glam bags. And if you're interested in that, then just keep watching this video. All right, so like I said, this is a collab video. I'm doing it in conjunction with my girlfriend, Frances Ann from Happiness Sparkles, and we decided to call it 2 bags unbagging. Just kind of a bit of tongue-in-cheek, a little bit of fun at what is in our, basically, our July, yes, I said July, we get it at the end because we're in Canada, Ipsy glam bags, the regular Ipsy glam bags. So, if you're unfamiliar, it is a US-based monthly beauty subscription that you get mailed in the mail. It's $12 US or $18 Canadian. There's no contracts to sign. And then you can kind of just fill out a beauty survey and then kind of tailor it to sort of your likes or your dislikes, what you'd like to see more often or what you wouldn't like to see every month as well. It comes with some kind of theme. This month is a Stay Golden, and you always get a kind of in-theme makeup bag. This is really cute. It's just a vinyl gold kind of metallic makeup bag. It's got this cool Aztec sun sort of key pull or a zipper pull with the kind of beautiful blue that matches the blue inside. And then of course inside, then you also get the Ipsy logo that's always stitched to the inside, and a card. So again, the card is Stay Golden. Usually is helpful if you just kind of want to look at a little bit more detail of your products, and also will give you suggested retail price of the full. You get 5 items. They're usually like deluxe size, not full size. And this one is number 1 in my bag. It just happened to come in the actual mailer because it doesn't fit in the bag. And because I often say that I really love the actual brushes, because I do, they send me a lot of brushes. And it is very nice. It's got a sturdy, solid wood gold handle with a hammered sort of gold ferrule, which is quite beautiful. And this really beautiful, dense, kind of like multi-purpose brush, which would be really good if you were doing any spot concealing or perhaps even just laying down a little setting powder just in the T-zone. I'm not going to put it on my face because I am actually building up a giveaway. Okay, let's grab item number 2. So item number 2 is this one, which is, you can't quite see with my ring light, but it is the Tarte Quench. It's a moisturizing makeup primer. Love a moisturizing makeup primer. All right, let's just open this up and take off the little seal here. Ooh, it's like a light blue gel. Very nice. Let me just, I love those kind of gel primers. Definitely very, very moisturizing. It's a little bit stronger a fragrance than I would normally like. Dare I hate to say it because I really like Tarte products, but it kind of smells like cheap men's aftershave lotion. Hopefully that will die down. I think it's supposed to be kind of like, you know, the Tarte sort of sea. So I'll have to see how this goes. I'll let you know. I will try it. I'm not really big on really strong fragrances. Okay, what's the next item? The next item is this. Oh, it's a jar. This is item number 3. And this is the Christophe Robin, as in not Christopher Robin, but Christophe Robin Scrub. It's a cleansing, purifying scrub with sea salt. Okay. Let me open that up. Let me just take off the actual little, okay, well, it's kind of like fallen halfway down. A sea salt scrub. I think that would probably be good for the shower. Ooh, another strongly scented one. Well, it certainly has large chunks of sea salt in there. I could feel that. It feels quite nice though, like actually kind of like a sugar scrub, I guess, like a eucalyptus kind of smell to it. Very, very interesting. That is a fair size. So obviously if you really used a lot of hair products, you would put that just a pea size amount in, kind of just massage it through your hair. I could see that being quite nice. I guess I don't know about the sea salt part of it though. Like, would it scratch the actual sensitive, skin on your scalp? I don't really know. Wouldn't be exactly like sugar, because sugar actually just kind of melts off. But I've never tried an actual exfoliating scrub on my head, so don't know how I feel about that. Okay, what's the next product? Oh, so this one is something that's in bubble wrap. It's usually a compact of some sort. Let me just open this up. And let's see, what is it? Oh, okay. Shades by Shan. So a nice little black compact. It's from a San Francisco makeup company, Shan. Oh, that's kind of cute. It's just like a little eyeshadow palette. So let me make sure I don't have any more scrub on me. I would like to just dip into that. That looks quite pretty. I'm not really sort of like a tangerine orange kind of person. I do like sort of soft pinks. Oranges, they're more warm. That definitely looks like tangerine to me, but let's just give it a little. Wow, it is very, very opaque. It is very buttery smooth. There it is there. And then the other side is this very pretty sort of, yeah, metallic, like a shimmer. Wow, that is really, really pretty. Blinding colors. A lovely little compact. Sorry that I stuck my hand in there. Obviously, I'll have to keep it now. But yeah, I don't know. Like, I like to have some warm colors on my eyes. Not really sure how I feel about that. I think the shimmer actually could be a really nice highlighter. You can definitely use that as a highlighter. Or inner corner. Let's see, should I try it on the inner corner? I'm going to take that on there and just got it on the right side. I'm just going to highlight. Oh, yeah, definitely brightens up that. Anyways, you get the idea. It's really cute. What is this? It's a flag. This is not a flag product. So Addison Rae, if you don't know her, she's this cute, totally cute little TikTok celebrity of sorts, and she came up with this. It's called Brow Chow, and it's in warm blonde. Brow Chow. It's an interesting name. Wow. Well, on one end you get this very, very tiny little brush. That is pretty cute. We'll brush up your little brows. Obviously, on the other end, let me open that up. You get the very, very, very tiny sort of triangular, can you see that? Kind of triangular shape. And then just kind of fill in the little sparse areas, making them look like hair strokes. Did that really help out with any of mine? Sure did, actually. Wow, it's kind of cute. I'm not gonna lie, I think that's kind of adorable. An $18 makeup bag, but this is really fun. I really do like the Brow Chow. Not sure if I like the name, but I do like it. I definitely like it, and I would use it. Not sure about the Christoph Robin, very expensive sea salt scrub for my head. I'll let you know, but I suppose you could equally use that on your body, which would be fine. The Tarte Sea Hydrating or Moisturizing Primer, I can still smell it. It's very strong. Not sure how I feel about the fragrance, but I do like a good Tarte product. The lovely Shades by Shan eyeshadow palette, the little duo, Tangerine, and this brush, which I definitely think it's really cool. It's going in a giveaway. That is my 5 items. Please, I will provide a link down below. Just tap on that link and go see my girlfriend, Happiness Sparkles, Frances Ann, because truly, she just eludes happiness, and see what somebody in their 60s gets. This is my video, 2 bags unbagging for the Ipsy for July 2021. And as I always say at the end of all my videos, I hope you guys have an absolutely fabulous week, and I just look forward to seeing you next week. Take care.